Today's a very windy day in the boatyard. You can't quite see it, but the cover's come off the Countess over there, so Simon and I are going to go around and see if we can sort it out. We're trying to keep everyone's boat safe behind closed doors. And here goes Simon having a good look, seeing what he can do to sort the covers out. So rest assured, behind closed doors, we keep an eye on your boats. It's boatyard. Good work, Simon. Social distancing is in place as these two are going to ratchet down Countess now because she was blowing too much for Simon and I to hold her. I did use my bottom for a while, but it was getting a bit chilly. No touching, boys, no touching.
No touching. Definitely not.
That's a nice bottom. And this is a good tip for boat owners. Always have some ratchet straps to tie down your boat cover.
Leave them in your car.
Leave them in your car, Paul says, so when it's windy you can just jump in your car, drive down to the boat, put them on.
Go down to your favourite boatyard.
Ratchet straps and duct tape.
Yeah.
Won't go far wrong with a bit of ratchet straps and duct tape in your car. And there you go, the wind is still blowing like crazy, but now the cover is ratcheted down, all secure. That'll stay nice and tight, nice and warm, and keep the boat beautifully safe.